Well, as far as Indore is concerned, among the victims of Pahalgam attack, Indore is even lost Sushil Natyal. And in fact, the anger among the Indorians can be clearly stated by this particular poster, which says Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Sikhs and Pakistani citizens are not allowed. I'm exactly at Chappan Dukan, and in fact, Indore is absolutely ready as far as the mock drill is concerned. The collector has stated that five cities in Madhya Pradesh are going to be conducting the mock drill tomorrow. And as far as Indore is concerned, there are around 700 defense volunteers who will be conducting this particular mock drill, along with the siren rehearsal, along with the alarm rehearsal. Everything will be conducted. Right now I'm at the Chappan Dukan, and in fact, as far as the anger related to this particular terror attack sponsored by Pakistan has been very clear. I have Mr. Gunjan Sharma. Gunjan ji, tomorrow we are having a mock drill. We are ready. Indore is ready because Indore has stated that the civic sense of Indore is very clear. We are the cleanest city in India. And now as far as this mock drill is concerned, everything is ready.
Yeah, everything is ready. Even not on, we are not dependent on the government. We have हमारे जो संदीप जुल्का सर हैं, उन्होंने एक कल सुबह यहाँ प्रोग्राम भी रखा है जो मॉक ड्रिल के ऊपर आपको क्या एहतियात बरतना है, इसके लिए सेना के कई ऑफिसर्स और लेफ्टिनेंट यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं। कल सुबह बच्चों को भी बुलाया गया है, जो कॉलेज के स्कूल के बच्चे और आम नागरिक। दिस विल बी अ प्री रिहर्सल बिफोर द मॉक ड्रिल, almost like pre-rehearsal will be there, and the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Mohan Yadav, is having a video conferencing along with the collectors of the 5 cities. I'll just state one thing, that apart from Indore, Mahu happens to be a cantonment near Indore. That is an army cantonment where the mock drill will be conducted. As I mentioned earlier, that around 700 volunteers will be conducting this particular mock drill in Indore. And as I mentioned, that as far as Indore is concerned, as far as the appeal of the government is concerned, Indore has shown in past that when Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed the nation to keep the cities clean, for 7 consecutive years, Indore has been the cleanest city, taking part as far as the public response is concerned. Gunjan ji, public response Indore का इतना अच्छा होता है कि किसी भी तरह की अपील इंदौर के बाशिंदे पूरी तरीके से फॉलो करते हैं। वो ही देख रहा हूँ मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि गवर्नमेंट ने तो अभी जहां तक किया है, उसके पहले ही किसी संस्था द्वारा इस तरीके से सेना के शीर्ष अधिकारियों को बुलाना और बच्चों को बुलाकर उनको ये बात की ट्रेनिंग देना कि हमारा बिहेवियर युद्ध के समय कैसा होगा, हम इस बात की प्रेरणा उन्हें अभी से दे रहे हैं, तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है।
1971 was the time when we saw any mock drill, but these kids probably do not know, and the pre-awareness campaign has been launched as far as Indore is concerned. सर जी, एक सवाल बस मैं पानीपुरी के साथ में पूछना चाहूंगा, जिस तरह से टेरर अटैक हुआ था, मॉक ड्रिल कर रहे हैं, तैयार है हिंदुस्तान पूरी तरह?
तैयार है सब,
पूरी तरीके से
पूरी तरह से तैयार है।
क्या होना चाहिए, किस तरीके के हालात बनने चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस तरह से हालात बनाए थे,
जवाब देना जरूरी है सब,
जवाब देना जरूरी है। I have my colleague Vishnu Sharma from Jaipur, who will be taking through from the situation at Jaipur. Vishnu.